what is WISER app? So here is the app, if you just search. So pretty amazing app, 15 minutes book summaries. Really cool and easy to use app. It's alternative to Blinkist, so there is another app for doing that. But basically the idea of the app is, you heard about some book, you want to read it, but you don't have a time to read like 500 pages, or you just don't like reading a lot, or even you don't like listening to audiobook because again it can be like 5 hours. So in this app you can just have 15 minutes book summary, so you still get the main ideas from the book, the main concepts, the main hypothesis, whatever, but you spend in like 15-20 minutes. And then of course if you like the book, if you liked it, you can spend some time to read 500 pages or so. So that's just what it is. WISER gives you access to the key insights from the world's best books on productivity, business, negotiation, money, investment, health, law, and more. Listen and read a wide range of books designed to help you think and learn about yourself, grow fast, and gain insights into only 15 minutes book summaries, and they go. We built WISER with the tools for you to customize your experience and learning. You can read summaries, highlight text, change font size and color schemes, share quotes, bookmark titles, set yourself some learning challenges and daily goals. The WISER app allows you to browse your growing collection of bestseller ebooks and audiobooks to enjoy instantly on your smartphone. So yeah, that's just what you have here, and then you can just open it up. So I tried Blinkist and I tried a bit WISER, and WISER app seems that it just has a better design. Here is $90 per year, $30 free, and then they have like some free books where you don't even need to upgrade. So for example, here is the book. Pretty cool. No rules, Netflix and the Culture of Reinvention by Reed Hastings. And this is how it looks like. You can do that and preview the book. To read the full book, you need to upgrade, but this is how it looks like. It has very nice big font, and it has all the chapters where you can just go and see the details. But of course, this is a premium book, so it's locked under subscription. Then you can just go or either listen to it for like 20 minutes or read it for 15 minutes, change the font size, change all the settings here, see the chapters, see the insights, key insights, or just start playing. So yeah, 15 minutes summary, either audio or text. And you have some really top books here. All right, there is some typos, but anyhow, people recommendations here, quick learning bites, some categories, top 5 personal growth books. So all the categories, cards, you can remember some elements and add it to cards to have fast repetition faster. Then you can just search all the different categories here. So for example, you have here, you have all the top books. Of course, in this app at the moment, you don't have all the books. So I think actually Blinkist library is a bit bigger. In Blinkist app, you literally, I think you have much bigger library. So here is an alternative app. It's called Blinkist. So here is the app. Yeah, but WISER app is a bit more simpler to use and navigate. And that's just what it is. And you can then use it like to track your daily goals, to add your streaks, to grow your learning friends. Then you can invite friends, and then you can just invite friends. I don't know whether you're getting some referrals for it. So, and then, yeah, you can just delete your account. So that's what it is. Basically, here you have it, and that's the app. So that's what the WISER app is.